How y'all doing, family? This is Chris Rod with Media TV, and I'm gonna be coming to you guys with this story. It says Dow Plunges 1,175 worst point decline in history. The stock market, uh, man. This is by Matt Egan, February 5th, 2018, 7:45 p.m. This is yesterday. I'll get into the story right now. It said it was the scariest day on Wall Street in years. And it said stocks went into free fall on Monday, and the Dow plunged almost 1,600 points, easily the biggest point decline in history during a trading day. Buyers charged back in the limited the damage, but at the closing bell, the Dow was still down 1,175 points. God damn. By far its worst closing point decline on record. So it was like the lowest in history. It said the drop amounted to 4.6%, the biggest decline since August 2011 during the European debt crisis, but it was nowhere close to the destruction on Black Monday in 1987 or the financial crisis of 2008. Still, for investors lured to sleep by the steady upward climb since election day, it was alarming. And the rout in U.S. market continued to ripple around the globe. Japan's Nikkei index plunged 4% in Tuesday morning trading, while the SAP and ASX 200 in Australia dropped 3%. The White House said in a statement that President Trump was focused on our long-term economic fundamentals. What fundamentals? This motherfucker don't have no damn fundamentals, and he don't know what the fuck he talking about. Which remain exceptionally strong. The statement cited strengthening economic growth, low unemployment, and increasing wage for workers. The unemployment is still high for blacks. It's still high for blacks. It's always gonna be the highest for blacks because they always want us to do fucking worse. They always want us to do worse because everything is racially profiled and everything is racially motivated. So I don't know what the fuck you talking about, Trump. The trouble in the market began early last week when investors focused on a number of lingering concerns. But Trump, I thought you said the stock market was supposed to boom. It was supposed to boom after you done passed this massive ass fucking tax cut for the rich and shit like that. Why is it not booming? Cause y'all fucking rigged the shit, and now it's catching up to the system, and this shit gonna keep hitting the fan. Nah, it's about to hit the fan. If the economy gets much stronger, it could touch. If the economy gets much stronger, it could touch off inflation, which has been mysteriously missing for the 9 years of the post-crisis recovery. That forced the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates faster than planned. Hold on, family. Let me read this shit again. If the economy gets much stronger, it can touch off inflation, which has been mysteriously missing for the 9 years of the post-crisis recovery. That could force the Federal Reserve to raise interest rates faster than planned. So they already planned on a couple of years of raising the interest rate. But now it's just gonna make it go even faster to raise it even quicker. What I don't understand is why are the Federal Reserve raising interest rates and shit like that, and they supposed to be working for the United States? But That's for another video and stuff like that. So, but it said people are dealing with the shock of seeing real inflation for the first time in a while, said Bruce McCain, chief investment strategist at Key Private Bank. The sell-off wiped out the Dow and S&P 500 gains for the year and left the Nasdaq barely in positive territory for 2018. Y'all can see it say Dow worst point drop ever. Man, check it out, family. That was 25,600. It went down, then it went all the way down. It went all the way down. Then it dropped all the way down to right here. Yep. It says investors have also been nervously watching the bond market where yields have been creeping higher. As yields rise, bonds offer better returns, which makes them more attractive to investors compared with risky stocks. Stocks sank throughout the day, then went off a cliff in a financial hour of trading. The Dow was down 800 points at 3 p.m. Within minutes, it was down 900 to 1,000, and then it 1,500 points in its low, and down was down. The Dow was down 1,597 points before buyers rushed in a limited and declined. The Nasdaq slumped more than 2%, quickly turned positive, then sank again. It finished down almost 4%, and S&P 500, a broader gauge of the market than the Dow, declined from than 4%. The plunge pushed stocks closer to what's called a correction, or a 10% decline from their most recent high point. The S&P 500 is down almost 8% from its all-time high. The stock market is throwing a tantrum, said Andres Garcia Amaya, CEO of wealth management firm Zoe Financial. Take a deep breath, said Garcia Amaya. I know it's been a while since we had a day like today, but nothing has really changed from a fundamental standpoint. The market started 2018 with a bang, but last week was the worst on Wall Street in 2 years. The selling gathered steam on Friday when the Dow plunged 666 points, or 2.5 at the time, its worst day since the Brexit mayhem of June 2016. Nearly $1 trillion of market value was erased from the S&P 500 last week. God damn. That's a lot of money. But yeah, family, like I said, if people got money in these stocks and like that, y'all need to make sure y'all watch carefully with this shit and watch how y'all handle y'all money, because I'm telling you, when you lose your money in this shit, you put your money in it, you don't get your money back. When that shit lose and you got your money on that shit and it goes down, you do not get your money back. They don't give you your money back. I don't like nothing like that, to put my money on the gamble on something, then the shit don't turn out the way I need it to turn out, and then you don't get your money back. Nah, I'm good on that. But I just wanted to show y'all what's going on, family, and y'all have a good morning.